Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Repair Shop Electrical Department Collective carries out critical repair and modification jobs, and Ispat General Hospital of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant playing a key role in tracing and treatment of COVID patients. Now the news in detail. The highly committed team of Repair Shop Electrical has been rendering valuable contributions to SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP by carrying out several critical repair and maintenance jobs. The enthusiastic and upbeat employees of the department have successfully carried out many complex jobs, thereby bringing in substantial savings for the company. The efforts have also helped the user departments enhance their performance and effectiveness. In the year 2020-21, a major initiative of the department is the successful introduction of VVVF drive in various machines of structural and fabrication shop and mechanical shop for easy control and operation of machines. The department has repaired the 33 kV by 385 V 24 MVA LHF transformers of SMS2. Besides, the collective also reconditioned 6 138 kW and 147 kW DC meal screw down motors of plate mill. The enterprising job carried out with all internal resources saved substantial cash outflow for the company. In a similar effort, the employees of Repair Shop Electrical successfully overhauled the 200 kW synchronous motor for mixer agitator of sintering plant 3. The permanent magnet synchronous motor was dismantled for the first time. The collective, using their skills and expertise, overhauled the motor, which is a very challenging job. The motor was tested and commissioned at the site. The effort ensured a huge saving for the company, as a new spare motor would have cost approximately Rs 80 lakhs. Apart from that, RSE also repaired and overhauled of total 1,344 numbers of motors in the last fiscal. The department has been making consistent efforts to optimize its contribution in the growth and progress of RSP. Since the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has been playing a key role in tracing and treating the people impacted with the virus. When the second wave of COVID-19 hit the steel city in April 2021, the steel plant has further strengthened its healthcare net by adding and modifying numerous facilities. Since last year, a special 15-bed SARI ICU facility adorned with ventilators is functioning in the Ispat General Hospital. Keeping in view the surge in the COVID-19 cases, 2 more wards were promptly developed as COVID wards so as to accommodate more patients, thereby increasing the total bed count in IGH for COVID patients to 128. Employees, their family members as well as non-entitled patients are availing treatment in these facilities. In the current spell of the pandemic, more than 180 persons have returned home after complete recovery. Under the guidance of the Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and in collaboration with the state government, a virology lab and a plasma bank are functioning in the hospital. The virology lab carrying out RT-PCR test has been instrumental in containing the pandemic with quick detection of the disease. Apart from providing the results quickly, the first of its kind lab in the region also reduced the load on the testing labs of Bhubaneswar. At present, more than 500 samples are being tested per day in this lab, and plans are afoot to increase the same to 1,000 samples per day. To reduce the recent rush for RT-PCR testing, a second sample collection center has started operation at the new OPD building only for the employees and their family members, keeping in view the emphasis on instant detection of COVID patients. Rapid antigen tests are also being conducted in the hospital. The plasma bank, which was also first of its kind in the region with a capacity of 400 units, too has been useful in saving lives of many critically ill patients. When the COVID-19 vaccination commenced in the country, IGH came forward and set up a vaccination center for both entitled as well as non-entitled persons. With the rise in the number of people for vaccination, another vaccination booth was set up at the new OPD only for employees and their family members. When the country is going through one of the severest health crises in its history, the doctors, nurses, paramedics as well as all the supporting executives and employees of Ispat General Hospital are leaving no stone unturned in serving the humanity around. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintain social distance and avoid crowded places as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all in today's news bulletin. Namaskar.